We're gonna make butterbeer fudge. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we are gonna use, we got this 16-ounce marshmallow fluff. Just half of this. Don't worry, you'll be seeing this marshmallow fluff again in another recipe we have coming soon. Next we need 2.5 cups of sugar. Love.
Okay. I can do
So
that.
you have a 1/4 cup. How many of those are you gonna need to make 2.5 cups of sugar?
4.
No, 4 of those makes a cup. I need 2.5 cups.
10.
Next, we're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter. Now the nice thing with butter, typically has the measurements of how many tablespoons are in it. Look, right here, you see, you count it out. So what you can do, love, is cut that in half with a knife, please.
But first we have to unwrap it.
No, you don't. No, set it down.
What? I am in confusion.
Don't be in confusion. Listen to me. Listen and learn, my dearie.
There we go. And then you just cut.
Cut it at 4. Right there. Just cut it. And then the other half stays wrapped. And then just dump that bad boy in there.
With the wrapper?
No. Not with the wrapper, goober. Alright.
Make sure to let it sit or else it'll be like super
Cold.
no, not cold, but
And
like
hard.
super hard to get.
We need 1 teaspoon of salt.
Do 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 do.
Alrighty. Now, turn the oven to low heat. I need to get that in there. Okay, that is a small 5-ounce can of evaporated milk. This is a trick my aunt taught me when we used to make jam. You do the figure-8 stir, you're going to be able to get more of the pan than if you just go in a circle. See how it's gotten rid of that clumpy consistency though?
Yeah.
Go ahead and set a timer for 5 minutes. One, 2, 3 butterscotch chips.
Oh, that smells so good.
And then we're gonna stir until it's
Oh
the chocolate's completely melted. It's supposed to smell like butterbeer. That's kind of the end goal here. It's gonna look something like this. And you're gonna go ahead and get a buttered cookie sheet.
Keep.
And you're gonna spread it evenly
No, keep going. Perfect.
across your cookie sheet.